To set up Apple Pay on Apple Watch, start by ensuring your Apple Watch is updated to the latest software version and that you have a compatible Apple Watch model. You also need an iPhone 6 or later with iOS 11 or later, as Apple Watch uses the iPhone to complete the setup process. First, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and navigate to the My Watch tab. Tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Then tap on Add Card. You can add a credit or debit card by taking a photo of the card or entering the card details manually. You may be asked to verify your card details with your bank, which can be done through a phone call or text message. Once your card is verified, tap on Next to add the card to your Apple Watch. You may be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay on your Apple Watch. Read through the terms carefully before agreeing to them. After adding your card, you can use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch by double-clicking the side button and selecting the card you want to use. You can also add multiple cards to your Apple Watch and switch between them as needed. To use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, make sure the device is unlocked and that you are near a contactless payment terminal. When you are ready to make a payment, double-click the side button and hold the face of your Apple Watch near the terminal. You will feel a gentle tap on your wrist when the payment is successful. It is also important to note that you can remove a card from your Apple Watch at any time by going to the Apple Watch app, tapping on Wallet and Apple Pay, and then tapping on the card you want to remove. You can also suspend a card if it is lost or stolen, which will prevent anyone from using the card with Apple Pay. By following these steps, you can easily set up Apple Pay on your Apple Watch and start making convenient and secure payments. Remember to always keep your Apple Watch and iPhone up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and software updates.